As editors, we often juggle multiple tools and websites to perfect our final product. From enhancing footage and writing scripts to generating images, converting formats, and compressing videos, we spend a lot of time hopping between platforms. But what if we could streamline all of these tasks into one powerful tool? Wondershare UniConverter, the all-in-one software designed to make your editing workflow faster, easier, and more efficient. First, head over to Google and in the search bar, type Wondershare UniConverter, or simply click the first link in my description to go directly to the download page. Once you're there, download the software and install it on your PC. After installation, you'll see this window pop up. This is the main interface of Wondershare UniConverter, and it's packed with powerful tools to enhance your editing workflow. I've already made videos covering some of the amazing tools available in this software, but today, I want to walk you through some different features that you may not have explored yet. Elevate your images with UniConverter's powerful image enhancer. The auto enhancer feature instantly improves your images, making them look professionally edited in seconds. But if you want more control, dive into manual adjustments with specialized tools. Upscale your image resolution for sharper detail. As you can see, it's much clearer now with the repaired pixelated part. You can use the face enhancer to smooth skin tones and correct color imbalances. There's also an option to bring old, faded photos back to life with the old photo colorizer. But I'll let you try it yourself and see the difference. Vocal music separator. UniConverter makes it easy to separate vocals from music tracks. Simply import your audio, let the software do the analysis, and you'll quickly have isolated audio tracks. You can listen to the vocals or the music separately and export them as individual files. First, let's check the vocals.
Through the city streets, we began to feel the fire. Tall buildings.
Then the music. This feature is incredibly useful for remixing, creating karaoke tracks, or repurposing audio content. Auto crop. Say goodbye to tedious cropping. With the auto crop feature, you can easily adapt your footage to different aspect ratios. Need your horizontal video to fit Instagram Reels? UniConverter automatically detects the best framing, saving you time and ensuring your content looks great across platforms. Perfect for social media editors who want quality without the extra hassle. Managing file sizes has never been easier. The video compressor reduces your video's size without sacrificing quality. Whether you're uploading to YouTube or sending files to clients, you'll save storage space and speed up uploads. Effortless, efficient, and designed to keep your work flowing. This tool allows you to compress your video files down to just 10% of their original size without losing quality. When you reduce the quality, the file size decreases as well. The best option is to choose the green area, which is the recommended size and quality for you. Then, I clicked OK and the compress button, and now I'm waiting for the result. Screen recorder. UniConverter's screen recorder is a powerful, flexible tool. Capture tutorials, gameplay, or presentations with ease. Choose to record your whole screen, a specific window, or even a custom area. Include webcam footage and audio for professional-grade content. With the built-in drawing tool, you can annotate in real time, adding that extra layer of interactivity to your recordings. File compatibility issues? Gone. UniConverter lets you convert virtually any file format to another, whether it's video, audio, or even images, like MOV files, into MP4. Just drag your video or click here to open your folder on your desktop and you can load it in. From here you can choose any format you want: MP4, MKV, MOV. In audio part you can choose MP3 and Wave 2. For this video let's choose MP3 and click Convert. Sometimes footage isn't perfect, but with UniConverter's video enhancer, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to fix those issues. I clicked on AI Video Enhancer. You can drag or add your footage here. So I import her videos. There are 3 options here: General Denoiser, frame interpolation, and AI upscaler. For denoiser, it makes videos smooth and soft. For AI upscaler, you can increase the quality to 2K or 4K. It can fix her problem. So, click on this and then on the export button. And voila, this is before and after. See how good that is. GIF Maker. Want to add some fun and dynamic visuals to your projects? With the GIF Maker, you can easily convert your videos into GIFs. These GIFs can enhance your videos, social media posts, or even YouTube projects, adding that extra flair and creativity. It's a simple way to create engaging content that truly resonates with your audience. So, just choose the part you want to turn into a GIF, hit the blue button, and you're done. So, why choose Wondershare UniConverter? With all these essential tools in one place, Wondershare UniConverter saves you time and simplifies your workflow. Whether for professional or personal projects, UniConverter has you covered. Click the first link in the description to try it now. And remember, as always, stay creative.
Cheese.